Today I will provide for you more than 750 HD backgrounds, best collection for any editing. So let's start now. How to download this backgrounds. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for get the all notifications from my channel. Click on the download stock link and it will go to another site. Here wait just 5 seconds. And now click on skip ad. Click this link and you will got my uploaded files. Here just click on download and it will be downloading. Now click mouse right button on your downloaded backgrounds, click on extract files. Now give the password. Type ShazimCreations. Then OK. Thanks for watching. If you any helpful from me or get this all HD backgrounds, please subscribe our channel and share our videos. Thank you.